Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to be applying Scott's Bonus S to my front lawn. I am using Scott's Bonus S because of the history that I've used it. I've had good experience using it. Also, with that being said, Allyn Hane recently did a video showing you a lot of the herbicides that you can buy at your local big box stores such as Home Depot or Lowe's. This is one of the products that he actually recommended if you needed something post-emergent wise. And I've got some weeds. I've never used a pre-emergent before, so my backyard is looking a little bit salad. It's got a little bit of salad in the back, you know. So I'm going to be using this all over the property, all over my property today, and hopefully we'll have some good results again. Anytime you use a fertilizer or anytime you use product, you want to make sure that you are applying it appropriately. Make sure you follow the directions on the bag, obviously, and make sure you're using the right amount for your square footage. So I'll be measuring that out, applying it today, watering it in while I'm working in the bag. Alright guys, so this one bag will treat 5,000 square feet. I'm going to be using it on about 1,000 square feet here in the front. So I'm going to use 1/5 of the bag. All right. Don't forget to check out my video where I rebuild my sprinkler, the sprinkler DIY, how to make your own hose sprinkler video. That'll be in the little ID card popping up above. Alright guys, gonna do a little weed analysis here in the backyard. Obviously we've got some, well, it looks like clover, thistle. That's what it looks like to me. Is vetch, some type of vetch. I've got this pretty bad around my palm trees. Here's another patch of this, what I'm thinking is vetch. If it's something else, you guys let me know. But I'm pretty sure it's a type of vetch. It's very long vine type plant. Has little seed pods. Kind of, I'm guessing, like a legume, which is what vetch is. Alright guys, so we're over here at my palms, which I fertilized the other day. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I got it in the ID card. But look at all this. I think this has to be vetch. And it's covering all around my palms here. There's a big patch of it there. More around this guy. I do have weeds in my yard. Like I said earlier, or maybe in another video, I let my backyard go slightly. I did not put down any pre-emergent, but this is going to be a good test for the Scott's Bonus S. And then I've also got another product that I might apply if the Scott's Bonus S doesn't work. It's an image for southern lawns, so I've got that as well. Some of my other problem areas are around my downspouts. I guess the moisture level is just so strong there that the weeds just really like it. But first, we must enjoy the mow. Since I haven't mowed the backyard in a while, I chose to weed eat first so that I can have a easier path with the mower coming through next to the fence, along the house, etc., around the trees. So I wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way so the wheels can turn a lot easier and get through, not have to push against as much resistance. So a little tip for your mowing and weed eating next time you've got slightly tall grass and have to get after it. Try weed eating first and then mowing. Give it a shot. Hey guys, so in case you're wondering, I usually will mow along the outside edges, the perimeter of my yard. If you're looking down along here, I'll mow down the side yards. And then, you know, along the back fence, and pretty much try to get everything that is not, like I'll mow all of this part, everything that's not really the middle where you're really gonna see. I try to mow all of that first, the perimeter. Gives me a good opportunity to see what's going on and then get started in the middle. Now with the middle section, which in my yard's really wide open, I'll mow stripes or whatever I wanna do, diagonal, you know, different directions, make it more interesting and fun. But around the outside perimeter, after you hit that, then it's time to go have fun, get after that mow. Alright everybody, I apologize for the wind, but I'm gonna show you guys a problem spot here in my yard. It gets mostly shade, and the dogs like to pee here. And I think I had some fungus issue last year. I sprayed it last year and it pretty much resolved, but the grass just hasn't recovered still, just coming out of winter. So I'm going to go ahead and do some core aeration and some top dressing, and then I'll be applying that fertilizer, the Scott's Bonus S today. So here we go. Hey guys, just finished aerating and top dressing some of my problem areas. I used compost, manure compost mixed with some sand. My only complaint about top dressing is all the dirt that these dogs bring into the house. Look at all the muddy paw prints. All from this dog. It's my only complaint about top dressing. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. I just finished all of my spring to-do list for getting the yard started, giving it a good jump start. I weed eated, mowed, aerated, top dressed, and applied Scott's Bonus S. This is a good day. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and make sure you push the bell for notifications whenever I post a video for you.